we'd like to welcome you to Dusseldorf with the local time. It's 11:05. Please keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Electronic devices can now be used. Have a look around you, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seats, and up in the overhead lockers. Take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything is moved and could fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area. Anyone travelling on a non-EU passport will need to ensure their passports are signed before entering Dusseldorf. This will result in denied entry if failure to do so. Did you know that we also offer unbeatable price guarantees for package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search easyJet holidays to start planning your next getaway. We'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Thank you.